Hello and welcome back to Fequiere Fitness TV. I'm your host, Daniel Fequiere, founder and CEO of Fequiere Fitness. And today, guys, we're going to be doing a cardio workout with low impact. If you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts that you'd like for me to do next. And you know how we like to get started, guys. Dance, 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 dance. For this first exercise, we're going to be starting off in a plank position. Make sure to have your hands in line with your chest at shoulder width apart. Make sure to keep your back straight and contract your abs. In this position, we're going to lower down to the ground. Make sure not to flare out your arms on the way down. Push yourself right back up to the starting position. Turn towards your right side, lifting your right hand up towards the ceiling. Bring it back down to the starting position and repeat the same steps with the left hand. And right back down. That will be considered one rep. We're gonna go for 10 reps. And ready, set, and go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. For this next exercise, we're starting once more again in the plank position. Make sure to have your hands shoulder width apart and your feet a little wider than hip width apart. In this position, we're going to start off by bringing our right hand and left foot to touch. Return back to that starting position and repeat the same steps with your left hand and right foot. That will be considered one rep. We're going to go for 10. And ready, set, and go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. For this last exercise, we're now going to be lying on our backs. Make sure to keep your back glued to the ground. You want to have your feet about 6 to 8 inches from your glutes. In this position, place your hands on the ground with your palms facing up. Push through your heels to bring your pelvis and lower abs off the ground. While you're in this position, you want to make sure that you don't let your glutes sag. Have a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. We're going to march, bringing our right knee up to our chest, return back to the ground, and do the same with the left, and back down. This again will be 2 to 1. We're gonna go for 10, guys. And ready, set, and go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Woo! Another tough workout in the books. Man, your heart should be pounding right now. Again, if you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts that you'd like for me to do next. As well, if you like this workout gear that I'm wearing, don't forget to check out my website, guys, right here at fequierefitness.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the page. And you know how we like to finish. Dance, 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 dance.